You're right guys, seeing as you enjoyed part 1 of this video, we've decided to do a part 2. So here's 5 more things you might not know about the Freelander 2. Number 1. Did you know that according to Land Rover, these have a maximum wading depth of 500mm? But picture the scene, you're on the way home from the shops or from work, it's been raining hard, and the roads are flooded, you're coming up across an exceedingly flooded bit of road. You don't have a tape measure to hand to measure the depth of the water. How on earth can you find out how deep the water is and if it's safe to continue? Well, handily, Land Rover fitted these plastic trims on the car, which so happen to be about 500mm off of the floor in standard trim. So you can continue on your journey as long as the water doesn't go above the plastic trim. You can have your head out the window, check the depth, and if it stays below this plastic trim, you can continue safely on your journey.
Number 2. Usually when cars are given a refresh, they share components from the previous model. But did you know, when Land Rover went from Freelander 1 to Freelander 2, the only components that they shared are these luggage hooks?
Number 3. Most cars on the road have a pretty flat-shaped bonnet to them. But did you know that Land Rover have designed this bonnet for 1, to produce glare into the cabin through this centre section, and then 2, this little flicky up bit reduces the amount of rain that sprays onto the window and reduces your visibility on rainy days.
Number 4. Even though this car is covered in Land Rover badges, did you know it could be classed as being a sheep in wolf's clothing, as technically it's a Ford wearing Land Rover's clothes? If you ignore the rock slider, the floor plan of this car is actually based on Ford's EUCD platform, which is shared across the Mondeo, S-Max, Galaxy and some other Volvo models also. Under the bonnet you will find either a 3.2 litre petrol Volvo engine, or like in this car, a 2.2 litre Ford Duratorque engine with input from PSA, Peugeot, Citroën. And this is where Land Rover come in and cover it up in a Freelander 2 body shell.
Number 5. Before the Freelander 2 was released, did you know that it was tested to temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius and as high as +50 degrees Celsius and up to an altitude of 14,000 feet? So you'll be okay if you want to get your milk from Canada, your bread from Kuwait and your eggs from Peru.
That was 5 more things you may not have known about the Freelander 2. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Drop us a like down below if you did, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye!